Hey everybody, we're putting the Hemi to work today. We're towing the camper up to get some service done. So my wife got to drive the Charger to work today, and I just thought I'd give you a little bit of towing footage here in the Durango, kind of show you what it's like pulling the camper. Probably with everything I got in the camper, probably about 5,500 pounds or so. The camper's 29 feet long. I just have to be careful. There's a little snow. We don't want to lock up the trailer brakes at all. So yeah, I have a Takancha brake controller down there for the trailer brakes. And then I have these clip-on mirrors that I got because unfortunately these stock mirrors don't go out far enough. I also have a weight distributing hitch and equalizer. That's critical when you're towing something like this with an SUV. I wish it wasn't snowing out because I don't want to get a bunch of salt on this camper because these things rust up a bit, but yeah, the main reason I had a V6 Durango that I really liked before this, a 2013, and I bought this camper and started doing research and decided that the Hemi was the way to go. Also, my 213 didn't have a factory tow package on there, which that gives you the load leveling shocks and the heavy duty cooling. And it's all pre-wired for the trailer brakes, and that, as trailer brakes are a must when you're pulling something like this. And usually when I tow this, I tend not to go over 65. This Durango will do it no problem, but the tires on here are the questionable. Not on the Durango, but on the camper. I think I may upgrade them before I go to Carlisle. That's going to be a long road trip with this. This 8-speed is really nice. Sometimes, like right now, we're in 5th gear, kind of once you get at a steady cruise. It usually will run in 6th when I'm towing this. Every once in a while it might shift into 7th, but usually it kind of just stays around in 6th. And as you can see, we're getting like 8 miles to the gallon. Usually once I kind of get, if it's not too windy and I'm at a nice cruise, I get about 11 or 12 pulling this. We got a pretty dramatic clover leaf onto the freeway. We're gonna just take it nice and easy. Yeah, the other thing with the towing package too is you get a full-size spare tire, which that's extremely important. So yeah, now you can kind of see we're kind of at a nice There's a little bit of wind out today. We're at a nice steady cruise here. We're in 6th gear, which is 1-to-1, and we're about probably 2200 RPM, 61 miles an hour right now. I'm just at the road conditions and that I'm taking it easy, because you don't want the tail to start wagging the dog. Yeah, we're getting about 9 miles to the gallon. So yeah, here we're at about a 65 mile an hour cruise, 9 miles to the gallon, probably about 2300 RPM.